Hi friend, welcome back again to we'll discuss today the most important part. Also it is general study first, also GS1 paper. So we will discuss in this video how to take notes for of history for UPSC. So we will discuss step by step how to take a effective note from different kind of books and which books we have to read for our preparation. So in this continuation, first is understand the syllabus, and that is familiarize yourself with the UPSC history syllabus. It will be ancient, medieval, modern, and the world history. So you have to keep analyzing that. First, if you understand the syllabus, so it's give the idea about the uh, important topic that UPSC asking throughout the year. So most of the question they are asking from the modern India, so need to focus on that, and then focus on the important topics like the freedom struggle, significant moments, and the personalities like Mahatma Gandhi and so many personalities those we are leading in freedom struggle. So these are area which need to be focused. Second is multiple resources and read reference to the standard book like NCRT's Spectrum Bipin Chandra. First, my suggestion is that if you are going to the Spectrum, you no need to read the Bipin Chandra. You can use it for your revision also. But if you go through the NCRT, it's give the basic structure and all thing that. So you, my suggestion, if you are asking, it is very crucial that pick one book and just read multiple times and do revision also. And if you are going to the next books also, then you can use it for only revision purpose and use additional source like Vision IS or inside sizes material. So different type of coachings there, and take their notes and resources. You can add the topics and to enhance your the notes quality also. And the other part is the analyze previous year questions paper to understand trends. So if you are go through the PYQ, and we will also discussing year by year, so it's give the overall idea about the questions where they are framing the question. So and third one is divide into the topics and subtopics. So if you are going to organize the notes under major headings, so it's organized in ancient, medieval, modern, and world history. And you can divide it in subtopic also: Indus Valley civilization, Mughal Empire, Gandhi rules, and the World War seconds, and etc. So it's give idea of whenever you are reading any newspapers also, yeah, or if you are reading newspaper or monthly magazine. So if you any news related to this particular topic, suppose the Indus Valley civilization, some excavation are going on, and then you can note there also. Next, make notes concise, condense information to a sense point, write down in bullet point or short sentences, summarize into one words rather than copying from the books. So it's a crucial because if you are writing in your words, so it's make easy to revise it. And it'll also it happen when you are going through the chapter by chapter multiple times. And in the first reading you just read the chapter, and then second reading you need to focus on the keywords, and then third reading you can use the highlighter for the most topics. So and then if you are summarizing the topics in your own word, so it's easy to revise also not difficult for you. And the fifth one, highlight the key information we will earlier discussed. Include significant dates, acts, and movements. List important personalities, their contribution, and the roles in different moments. So need to focus on these that's keywords whenever you are reading and come across the dates, acts, or facts or movements, and the lists of the personalities, and then their contribution, how they contribute in that era. You can just remember it also and roll in a different moment and the kind of different person in the different period, so how they contribute in the freedom struggle, so you can use that also in. And then sixth one, use diagram, maps, and charts. So if you are concise the uh, whole page into the some words or some maps, so you can also draw the maps of ancient empire, key battles also. Use timeline to remember sequence of historical events. So you have to just overall idea and the relevant time period of particular event. Summarize wars, treaty, and important reforms in the chart. So you can also summarize that year, that events it happened, and what consequences or what gain, what is the main leader also. So you can use like that and you can prepare a chart like that, so it is easy to revise those things on continuous basis also. 7 is link events logically. Understand the causes and consequences of the events. Link events to show their impact. Socio-religious movement influencing freedom struggle. So again, you have to just linking the things why it is happen. WHY question you already asking before reading any chapters. If you are keep asking question why it is happen, how it impact on society and religious and administrative and peasants, so it's give the overall idea also in that scenario also. Next, focus on the key themes, so we already discussed themes like British policies, economic impact, social reforms. So many reforms is happening in the British time. So there are many policies they adopted and the economic impact also. Focus focus on focus on frequently asked themes such rise of nationalism and social transformation. Next, tailor notes for the prelims and mains. For prelims, focus on factual data, names and datas. Acts also. For mains, focus on the conceptual clarity and linkage between the events. So if you are going to attain the prelims questions, you have to factual data about and dates and facts also. But if you are going to attempt the mains uh, question, so you have to conceptual clarity over that events, moment, or particular event, why it is happen, how impact, and how it's impact the people in terms of socio-economy and in terms of their livings. So this is help to attempt the men's questions. Now 10th one is regular revision and a micro notes. Create micro notes for quick revisions. Use sticky notes for the flashcard for keywords, points, and terms and personalities. So these are the 10 pointers to use making notes of history for UPSC prelims as well as men. So prelims you have to remember the facts and the events, the leaders contribution, but in mains of points of view, you have to keep conceptual clarity over that topic, why it is happen, what is the causes, and how it's happened. This type of questions and their answer will be ready for the mains examination. So this is we will discuss here the note taking videos. Thank you, and thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, that is UPSC Manch. Thank you so much.